Presented jointly by Lumos and Exway, the Ultra and Nixle smart lighting helmets redefine safety for riding. Equipped with the LED-linked Bifrost 2.0 lighting system, these helmets synchronize signal prompts between the skateboard and the helmet for every turn and brake, putting safety firmly under your control. The brake lights and turn signals of the Ultra and Nixle helmets are composed of LEDs. They are powered by a 3.7V 1100 mAh polymer lithium battery, offering an effective battery life of 4 to 10 H-hours and requiring only 3 hours for a full charge. The helmets come in a universal size, ML, weighing just 370 g, and are suitable for head circumferences ranging from 54 to 61 centimeters. They feature an IPX6 dustproof and waterproof rating. The package includes the following accessories: Welcome to this tutorial. Follow these steps to complete the pairing process easily. First, ensure the skateboard is powered off. Press and hold the power button on the skateboard. Release the button once the indicator light starts flashing alternately red and green. Press and hold the left button on the Rexus Remote control to enter the menu. Select Pairing and choose ESC1, ESC2 to connect to the skateboard. Please ensure the Rexus Remote control has the latest firmware version. After successful pairing, enter the menu again, select Remote Control Setting, and scroll down to find the AirSync function. If it shows Off, click the right button to switch it to Send. Press and hold the power button at the back of the helmet. When you hear a prompt tone and the helmet lights turn on with a slow flash, it indicates that the helmet has entered pairing mode. Access the Settings menu on the Rexus Remote control. Select the newly added Others in the pairing options to pair. Once paired successfully, you can use the remote control to operate the lighting effects of both the skateboard and the helmet simultaneously. After pairing, the Lumos helmet and Exway electric skateboard achieve smart linkage. With the Bifrost 2.0 smart lighting control system, they can even support more lighting devices simultaneously, explore endless possibilities. Experience cyber-style travel and take control of the neon under the moon.